1991 Toyota Cressida, we are going to install one extra horn button. This is the requirement of the owner because the original horn is sometimes banging and sometimes it's not banging. There is some intermittent problem which is we are unable to solve that, so that we are going to install one extra horn button for this car. So here is the procedure we are going to do that. Here is the schematic diagram for the horn. This is not for this particular car. Instead, this is applying to any car because the horn is identical for almost all cars. Here is the big view. As you can see, here is the fuse. The power is coming to the relay coil. This is live all the times. And here is the ground which we are providing through the horn switch. And here on the power side, this is from the inside. The contact for the relay is taking power from the first top terminal, and then while the relay is energized, this contact is closing and it is energizing the horn, and the ground is already there, so the horn is banging. This is what is a basic diagram. So what we will do is we will have to provide one additional ground through the switch, through the push button over here on this point. On the relay downside ground, we will provide a secondary, or we will have to bypass, or we will have to parallel this existing switch, so that the other switch will do as the horn push button. Here is that push button what I will introduce on the dashboard. It is like this. While I will press it, the two contact will make. So this will be the same as like this. It will be the additional. It will come as a parallel to the original switch. The problem with the original is it is having intermittent fault. Sometimes it is banging, sometimes it is not banging. So for this purpose, I am going to show you on the car. Here is what is the engine compartment fuse box, on which everything is mentioned very clear. As we can see, this is nothing. The first one is the head. It is written as head. The second one is the horn. We are concerned with the horn. So this second relay, which is over here, actually this is for the horn. And if you will see, these are marked as contact. Here these two first terminals are marked as contact. The second one is marked as coil, but this is reverse. I don't know why this is reversed. This is a relay manufacturing fault or whatsoever is. Here, as you can see, there are four terminals, two here and two here. One pair is here and the second pair is here. As they marked as this one coil, but while I will connect these two through a wire, the horn will bang. So this is what is the contact, and here is the coil, and here is the ground terminal which we are looking for. This one. If we will ground it over here, the horn should bang, but the relay must be there. Without relay, it will not. So what I am going to show you is I am going to short these two and will bang the horn to prove the fault on the relay contact writing. So when I connect it here, the second one, I am going to connect it over there, and the horn should bang. As you can hear on the camera, the horn is banging. So these are the contacts, and here is the coil. So on this terminal, we will provide the ground. So this will bang the horn. So for this purpose, I'm going to cut some space on the dashboard of the car where the push button will be fixed. So on this trim piece on the dashboard, on this location, I have to connect the switch so that I lost it over here, so that it will do its function. I will connect it somewhere over here. So for this purpose, I have to remove this trim panel. It's already opened, so it popped up, and here is already we have two switches here, and over here on this location I will have to cut some mark using my knife. I will cut it over here and will fix this switch. I mount the switch over here. As you can see, the push button, and on the rear side I connected already. As you can see, these are the connections. So this particular, the blue wire, of course, is the ground, which I took from here. Here I have available a closed ground over here on this control. So this blue is coming over here on the ground. The other one, the brown one, as you can see, this is going to the front side relay. From here, as you can see, this is the firewall. This is crossing from the firewall. This is the wire coming to the same relay. Here to the same horn relay. It is coming on this terminal, as you can see, this one. This is the wire which is coming to the control of the relay. So now I'm going to press the button to show you the banging horn. So this is what is our modification. The original one is of course here. Sometimes it is working, sometimes it is not working. As you can see, now this time it's not working. So this is intermittent. Here, this is the alternative, the alternate, and the same as you can see, the previous alteration to the car is this self-starter secondary switch, which I already installed before. And here is the horn. So it's working well. We will connect each and everything and we'll finalize the work. Thank you for watching. Of course, the happy owner, one of our respected owner. Thank you very much for watching.